Hi, it's Amy with WTI. Are you tired of being the pack mule and need a little help carrying things from point A to point B? Then this canopy wagon by AUKAR is the one you will want to seriously consider. I wanted one with a canopy because when you're at the beach or you're strolling around a fair or a campground, you want to have what's inside protected from the sun or any surprise rainfall. This gives me the protection I was looking for. My most favorite thing is this push bar. I love being able to have my things in front of me and it moves and glides effortlessly. This wagon is solid and can carry more than 250 pounds. Look at these awesome wheels. They spin 360 degrees, which makes for much smoother, more maneuverable handling. And they have a locking lever, great for keeping it in place, so I don't have to worry about it rolling away on me. Now I picked the blue color. I love it. The material is not flimsy at all. I'm not worried about it ripping. The cup holders are convenient, and I like how they're deep enough to where the bottles aren't going to flop out on you. This has been great using it at the campground. This easily fit a couple chairs, an umbrella. I mean, anything that I needed to bring with me, it fit. Say goodbye to being a beast of burden and hello to a more refreshing, lighter you. I love this push-pull, heavy-duty, get the job done wagon, and that's my point of view.